Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy 4-ingredient lemon mousse dessert recipe. There is ricotta infused through it, so it makes it high in protein, and it's also low carb, keto friendly, gluten free, just depends on the ingredients you incorporate into the dessert. But I've got all that written down in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this easy, creamy 4-ingredient lemon mousse a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by pouring a cup of cream into a large bowl. You can use heavy cream, whipping cream, any cream that you can whip into whipped cream, that is what you want to use. There you go. Beautiful whipped cream. And now we're going to add in our ricotta. A cup of ricotta going in. There we go. A cup of ricotta going in. Beautiful, smooth and creamy. And we'll give that a whisk in. For sweetness, depends how sweet you like your sweet treats. Go for 2 to 4 tablespoons. You can use stevia if you want it to be low carb, keto friendly, or sugar, or any sweetness you like. And we'll whisk that in. And there we go. We've got our smooth, beautiful mousse, and now I am going to move to folding in the lemon. So I've grated the zest of my lemon, I've cut it in half, and we're going to squeeze the juice over a sieve. So we'll pop that all into our whisked up cream and ricotta, starting with the zest over here. Okay, zest is in, and now we'll just squeeze the juice over a sieve to catch any pips. We don't want pips in our mousse. Lovely and lemony. You can just use half a lemon if you don't want as intense a lemon hit, but we love lemon in my family. I love lemon treats. So we'll use all the lemon juice. Again, once we finish, give it a taste, and if you need to fold through a little bit more stevia or your sweetener of choice, you can do that. Okay, caught a couple of pips there, and now we'll fold it all through. Here we go. Oh, I love tasks like this. I find them so therapeutic when you're folding through nice and relaxingly. There you go. Easy as that. And then you can move it into a bowl to serve, and I will show it to you in a few hours once it's thickened up in the fridge. And the lemon ricotta mousse has been in the fridge a few hours. It's so beautiful and creamy. As you can see, look at that lovely mousse. It's beautiful. If you're a fan of lemon sweet treats and desserts and mousse, this is just so perfect. So that is how to make my easy 4-ingredient lemon mousse dessert recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, and flavor variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.